Hi, I'm Franklin Peterson from Hello Neighbor Abridged, who is voiced by a nigga in that dark alternate reality mini-sode video. Enough about that, let's go on with it, nigger. Hey guys, James cannot be voicing one of his Abridged characters here, but I'm going to take his place for this part 2 of this video called How to Do Abridged Videos. Or should I say, how to make your own abridged parody. Let's get with steps to this tutorial. Step 1, open up Kinemaster or some other video editor and screenshot some captures to go make edited animated clips. Step 2, go to IbisPaint X, edit everything to make it look perfect, like Nicky remains still and not moving at all, just like YouTube poop magic, and that he made Xiaolin Abridge-nicles episode 8 where Omi pulled out a gun on Shadow Hentai, bitch. Step number 3, go to GIF Studio. Since you finished and exporting your edited images, import these images for animated GIF, then make it a loop for it. Step number 4, back to Kinemaster or any other video editor. Learn how to make smooth animation like Delroy pulling up phone in fast motion, considering it's a very smooth animation to make without GIF Maker. But only on Kinemaster if you know how to animate in Kinemaster. Step number 5, make a script for the video or a bridge parody episode if you want to name it. Like, create a dialogue and jokes that are supposed to be funny and humorous to make sense. Step number 6, back to Kinemaster again. Edit your video part, do all the voiceovers by yourself or with your friends or with your collaborators. Add sound effects and background music, then once you're finished editing, you can export the video and you're done. Will James' tutorial help me? Nigga, fuck no, it's not gonna help you. It's not gonna help you do shit. Just go suck a dick and get the fuck out of here. Fuck you. No, you said it's been sucking too much dick, bro. And you said it's even worse than a Todd Perry movie, like Todd Perry's Medea Big Ass Happy Family. It should be called Medea's Molestation Family, because it doesn't even make sense. Like, just get the fuck out of here. But enough of that. Want to hear my opinion on Hello Neighbor Abridged and Xiaolin Abridge-nicles? To me, I think it's hilarious. Still better than the other one. Okay, bye guys. Also, email Todd Perry that his granny mom is hot. Also, tell him that he's been sucking way too much gay dick. So, bye-bye. I fucked your mother, Todd Perry. What's up, nigga?
What do you want, token black guy from South Park?
Oh, pop media in the room.
Shut up.
Did you hook up with Theodore Peterson?
What?
Is your boyfriend also your brother?
What the hell? My boyfriend is not my brother. You jerk.
Congratulations for quoting that. You ended up in the R Roast Me subreddit, bitch.
Fuck you, faggot!
Step number 3, go to GIF Studio since you finished and exporting your edited images. Import these images for animated GIF, then make Step number 3, go to GIF Studio since you finished Hey guys, James cannot be voicing one of his abridged characters here, but I'm going to take his place for part 2 of this video called How to Do Abridged. Fuck. Hi, Cat Cosby, you suck a dick too much. Nigga's way more slower than Todd fucking Perry, bro. Probably slower than Medea anyway.